What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Are you ready to freaking party? Anyways, sorry I shaved my beard, but that's not what the main principle of this video is. Main principle of this video is pretty simple. A couple years ago, a guy made a mistake. A mistake that he would regret. 2018, whenever R33s were legal. Your boy here never told you all about something. No, I did tell you in a couple videos, but it was not like, oh hey, this happened. Well, the 240 was sold.
Oh, idiot.
There's a reason you hadn't seen it in the video, any video since. You seen some SR20 stuff, but it wasn't for my car. And I regretted it. Don't fall for the clout. You want the Skyline? Cool. You're like, Skyline's God, right? Stupid. It's not. I sold the 240 to help fund the Skyline build. Not really thinking about the sentimental attachment that the car gave me. Long story short, it's been years. I have since really progressed my own life, as well as just in general, like with me and my profession and everything. But I learned a lot on that car. So this video is to apologize for the fact that I never told you all about the 240, or that I sold the 240. But I bought it back. And if I told you, I sold the car exactly how y'all seen it. And the guy, all he did was a diff, axles, windshield. I think he had to replace a headlight. He had different wheels, and he put a spoilerless wingless trunk on it. But the car's mint. It's exactly how I left it. All my stickers are the same. The dude drove the hell out of it, had a lot of fun with it. It hurt me a lot, but it wasn't in my city. Luckily, it moved like 5 hours away. Anyways, car's back, identical to how it was. And I'll tell you what, I mean, even some of the wires and vacuum lines are exactly where TJ placed them years ago, whenever I was a young pup. You know what I mean? I didn't know that much about working on cars. But now, I'm a lot better. Do I still know nothing? No, I mean, I still don't know shit, but oh well, right? Anyways, we got the car back. He parked it, sat for a couple years, don't really know why. Got towed to me, runs all right. The built SR still going freaking strong. He put an HKS high power on it too, took off my blast pipes, which I'll let it slide, okay? Because, again, I'm older, I'm wiser. I don't like loud stuff anymore. A bit of a mellow guy. And old straight pipe yeet yeet RB26, little screamy on the Skyline. And SR20 sound like trucks. Sorry. Anyways, we got it back. It was parked. The rear caliper's leaking. I think that's why it was parked, I hope. There's no brake fluid. Got a couple calipers. Let's chunk them on. Give you guys an analysis. The 240's back, baby. Let's do it. If I look tired, it's because I'm fucking spent. Also, update on this thing. You'll see a video soon. Waiting on injector seals. Are y'all ready? Dum dum dum. Dum dum dum. Oh man. The bad part. Okay, the stickers are legit where they were. I'm not lying to you there. Downside is, boys, this thing had immaculate, well not immaculate, it had pretty good paint. Look what happened, bud. My carbon hood, look what happened to it, buddies. Him's is faded. Him's license plate's falling off. Nailed it. $5 for that. Oh God, I need a battery change. I'll be right back. But yeah, she's got a couple other weird issues that I don't remember how they were back in the day. We've got nothing, you know, but character. Intercooler mount, little character. Still love the color though. Freaking same old shit. Door panels are a little worse for wear. Dash looks mostly good. But everything's perfect, dude. This thing's still making some freaking mean oil pressure. Wingless trunk. I didn't like it because I didn't want to have to paint it. But now that I'm painting the car, I love it. High power. Looks freaking thick. I'm about to get this gym back up in the air. Bring her to life. But there's something we need to do first, boys. Behold Ye old SR20. So yeah, other than, you know, a couple small things like, you know, dress up bolts. And it looks like he did split fire, so maybe I lied to y'all. Couple small things, but nothing crazy. Like, I swear some of this stuff, I did this, man. Like, oh my God, I love it. I also am really OCD. I don't like all the wires and stuff. Your boy's first TIG welds. Hot diggity dog, boys. So happy to have this thing back. But anyways, yeah, Shani, get the fuck, what the fuck you doing in there, bud? Get out of here. Goober? Jesus Christ. Like, I was thinking of some weird shit back in the day. Like, this was okay. Nowadays, that wouldn't fly, man. That freaking Skyline's pretty tucked. Anyway, long story short, boom, we got the 240. Let's do some freaking brakes on it. Will I have a lot of time? Probably not, but I'm gonna make this quick because you've seen brake calipers go on before, okay? Let's fucking do it, boy. Way too professional, young T. Oh, young buck. Yeah, wanna know something? Ask me why I didn't buy brake pads. Huh? Ask me why I didn't buy brake pads. Well, kinda needs them. Cause I'm cheap. Cause I'm a cheap ass. Also, ain't got no spray paint, so they're gonna be silver. Oh, young buck, put these on. It's another day to park, honey. Don't ever hit wrenches with your hands. Same thing on the other side, boys. Gloved up, you know, don't want to get bit by no witters. You get the right tool or just work harder. Be a man. Huh. Dumbass. That freaking e-brakes up, boys. My shop, we live dangerously, fellers. Haven't done it, oh gal, yet. Got it. Got it. Got it. Nobody freak out. Y'all ready for this? Get out! Get out! What the? Get out. The dog's there. Get out the way, bud. Gonna try to rescue you. Nailed it. 5 points. This video has already gone on way too long. We better go ahead and cut her short right now. Don't mind me, just getting an impact. Don't fall in love. Boom, ready. Same thing on the other side. Well, sorry, I gotta get kind of low. Here's our calipers. Also, new spark bolts, because she's got a little bit of an engine thing. Probably talk about that in some other video if it's a problem. Good news is, these babies are made in America. Oh. Smells kind of Chinese. Smells like Amazon. Jesus. Thank God. A right and a left, huh? Bleeders. Opposites. You want to make sure, whoa. You want to make sure, sorry, the camera went in the screen. You want to make sure to put the bleeder at the bottom. I'm just kidding, don't do that. You gotta start taking this serious. It's just that, as you can tell, your boy is quite happy to have this car back. You'd think I was born in it or something. You know what? I'm just a year older than this thing. All right, enough babbling on. I'm about 47% sure that's 12mm. Nailed it. I gotta get a drain pan, and I'm gonna slap these on just faster than I got them off, which for you probably seems like 10 minutes, but that was about 3 minutes. Yes, blah blah, TJ using a little impact on a freaking banjo bowl. Sue me. That probably with a hole in my drain pan. That's a stupid move. Surprisingly, I don't think I ruined my drain pan. And luckily there was no brake fluid to leak out. Also guys, this should be said that we are basically hopping, I live like right next to Mexico, so we're gonna just park over there, or we're just gonna drive over there and give it a couple rips where we're legal to. Letting this thing warm up before we get after it. I guess I can go ahead and cruise it some while it warms up. I won't have any car footage or in-car footage really, just because I only have one GoPro. So as you can see, this video was kind of a little different. I had a lot of fun with it. It was a good time. I really liked it, and I had a lot of fun with the 240. And as you can see, the thing freaking ripped. Diff is pretty scary, but the engine is hurt. Something's hurt. It's a little smoky on startup, and then like when it's cold, it smells like oil. I gave that engine a lot of ring gap when I built it, because I knew I'd be shoving a lot of boost, but hints as to why that thing has made so much power and has lasted so long. That thing has lasted a very long time. I don't know if it's head gasket. I have not really investigated it. If it breaks right now, I don't really care, because I know I'm going to end up opening it anyways. That's why I kind of ripped it. Plus it sounds really healthy. I mean, it sounds perfect. Except on startup there's a little mist and some smoke, but we'll get down to the bottom of that. Anyways guys, I got other stuff I gotta go do, but look forward to that video and look forward to a bunch more. Hopefully we'll be filming a lot more often now. Got a lot of goodies in the shop, and I got a lot of chores done, and a lot of crap to do. I mean, hell, I'm gonna start showing y'all injector cleaning videos. I got a set for a Mark III Supra that I'm actually gonna have to do here pretty quick. So yeah, thank you guys, and I guess I'll see you on the next video.